Hello, what is up guys? Eman from Peso Smart PH here. Welcome sa panibagong episode. Shoutout din sa mga podcast listeners natin. I appreciate you all. Today, mag-stock review muna tayo. And yung i-review natin is si CLI or si Cebu Landmasters Incorporated. So yan, quick background lang tayo sa company na to. So the Cebu Landmasters Incorporated was incorporated and registered with the Securities and Exchange Commission back in September 26, 2003 to engage in real estate development, sales, and leasing. So ito yung main purpose ng business and na-list sila with the PSE back in June 2, 2017. So lately lang din, no? Around 3 years pa lang ito natitrade sa PSE. And CLI opened its first hotel development in September 2019, so last year lang. Citadina Cebu City is a 180-room condotel that is operated and managed by Ascot International Management Pte. Limited. And as of first half of 2020, yung CLI has 29 completed projects, 41 ongoing projects, and 27 pipeline projects. Ito naman yung mga development nila, yung mga projects sila. So first off, high-end vertical projects nila, merong 3. So si Asia Premier Residences, Baseline Residences, and 38 Park Avenue. So kung familiar kayo sa mga projects nito, kung nakikita nyo to sa area nyo, then ayun, kay Cebu Landmasters yan lahat. And then yung next one, yung mid-market vertical projects nila. So Midori Residences, Mesa Verde Garden Residences in CDO, Mesa Sierra Garden Residences in Davao, then Mesa Viere Garden Residences in Bacolod. And of course, hindi mo wala dyan yung mga economic or budget vertical projects nila. Casamira Towers in Labangon, Casamira Towers Guadalupe, Casamira Mandaue in Cebu, and Casamira Towers CDO. So move on naman tayo sa leadership nitong si CLI. So iisa lang yung chairman, president, and CEO nila. Eto siya, name niya is si Jose R. Soberano III. And noong 1976, gumraduate siya sa Ateneo de Manila University with a BA in Economics and degree. And then back in 2000, gumraduate naman siya sa Strategic Business Economics sa University of Asia and the Pacific. And then 2015, Advanced Management Development Program naman yung tinapos niya sa Graduate School of Design of Harvard University. So he's very capable, no? Marami siyang tinapos and marami siyang pinag-aralan. Then back in 2017, nanalo siya ng 3 awards, namely Entrepreneur of the Year from the Cebu Chamber of Commerce, and then Extraordinary Men of Influence given by the Philippine Cancer Society Incorporated, and Entrepreneur of the Year Industry awarded by Ernst & Young. And then ito naman. So sa numbers na tayo magfo-focus ngayon at the part of this episode. So ayan, yung common stock ni CLI, market cap niya nasa 8.1 billion pesos. And the outstanding shares nasa 1.5 billion shares yan. And then yung last traded price niya kanina lang yan, nasa 5.16. And yung 52-week high niya nasa 5.5. And yung 52-week low nasa 3 pesos. So medyo naglilin toward siya dun sa high end ng spectrum nung price niya within the past year. So yeah, very well performing stock ito currently. And then nakuha niya yung 52-week low niya na 3 pesos per share back in April 7. So medyo weird, no? Hindi siya nakuha nung March nung nag-crash karamihan sa mga stock. So parang hindi siya masyado sumasabay sa trend nung market. Kasi ito mga ngayon, di ba? Medyo maganda yung performance niya. Karamihan sa mga stocks na nakalist sa PSE is hindi masyado maganda yung performance. And ito naman yung graph nung prices niya since na-list siya sa PSE back in 2017. So nag-start siya around 5 pesos talaga, no? Doon siya nag-start. And then syempre yung hype nga ng mga traders yan. Sobrang daming bumibili since nung nag-IPO, and then yung tumaas siya like above 5.5. Then eventually nag-drop na siya. So yun, nag-normalize yung price niya, nakuha niya ulit yung 5. And then nakuha niya yung pinakamababa like ever around ito. Like nasa 3.75, something like that. Then yung steady lang ulit, nakuha niya ulit yung 5, and then bumagsak ulit around 3.75, and then currently nasa 5.16 tayo. And yun, special case lang naman yun, umabot siya sa 3 pesos back in April. So hindi siya masyado nakita dito kasi 1 week yung kinukuha nating like price points for each period. But yeah, it's pretty much a good stock to hold kasi nagbibigay din sila ng magandang dividends eh. And ito na yung dividend info nila. Since 2017 nga lang sila na-list, and late na yun, medyo sa September na yun. So hindi sila napagbigay ng dividends on that year. But simula ng 2018, tuloy-tuloy yan. Until ngayon, 2020, yan ibigay din sila ng dividends. So, yung dividends per share nila, nasa 15 centavos noong 2018, and then 20 centavos back in 2019. And then 3.62% yung yield niyan, and then last year, 4.14%. Yung dividend payout ratio, steady lang 15%, and then 16% last year. Tapos, yan. Ito yung dividend sila. Every year, lumalaki siya ng 5 centavos. So, that's pretty good. Magandang growth na nangyayari sa binibigay nilang dividend. So, and yan, eventually, tumataas din kasi yung prices nila. So, hindi masyado naapektuhan yung dividend yield. But kung nakakuha kayo around 3 pesos or 4-ish pesos per share, maganda-ganda na yung balik ng pera nyo. So, in dividend yield for 2020, this is computed against the current price na 5.16, so 4.84% yung yield niyan. Yung 3-year average dividend yield niya nasa 4.2%, so almost 5% na, yun yung sweet spot. So, okay na okay pa rin yan. Then yung 2-year payout ratio niya since 2018 and 2019 lang yung napagkuha natin ng data, 15.76% yan. Hindi siya ganun kalaki kasi nga medyo hindi siya sobrang bagong company, but syempre marami silang developments sa ginagawa, and ayun, mas pinipili nilang i-reinvest na lang sa company yung malaking portion ng kinikita nila instead of giving it back sa mga investors. But as you can see, medyo maganda pa naman yung yield, so you can't really complain. Then ito yung price to earnings ratio. Yung sweet spot nga is nasa 15 and below, and kita mo naman dito, it is way lower compared dun sa 15 marker natin. So last year 3.98, pinamataas na noong 2017 which is 6.50, and then 2018 4.14. And yan, yung principle nga lang dito is kung ano yung price to earnings sila, ito yung willing i-bayad ng mga tao para magkaroon ng kita na 1 peso per share. So yan, 3.98 yung gusto i-bayad ng mga investors para magkaroon sila ng 1 peso per share na kita for this company. And then yung PEG ratio, dapat yung sweet spot natin dito, yung number is 1 or below. And yan, pasok na pasok si CLI dito sa PEG ratio na to. So yung criteria na to, pwede nyo na agad i-check sa checklist nyo. And silipin natin yung financials ni CLI. So since 2015, kumikita sila, and every single year lumalaki yun. So 425M noong 2015, 778 million noong 2016, 1.2 billion 2017, 2018 1.67 billion, and last year 2.01 billion pesos. So nahit na nila yung 2 billion mark sa net income nila. And then yung short-term borrowings hindi ganun kalaki. Long-term borrowings medyo may kalakihan, but given the nature of the business. So, malalaking developments yan, mga high-rise towers. So, okay lang din yan. And ang magandang part naman dito is kumikita sila. So, hindi sila nag-incur ng losses. And then total revenue sila 8.67 billion. And yung operating expenses hindi ganun kalaki, nasa 1.15 billion lang. Okay, so silipin naman natin yung most recent data na galing sa PSE Edge. So ito ay for the period ended June 30, so second quarter ng 2020. So meron naman silang net income nasa 219 million pesos yan. So that's a good sign kasi nung previous year, same period, second quarter ng 2019, 255 million pesos yung kinita nila. So, medyo konti lang yung nabawas, no? Nasa 30-ish million pesos lang. So, that is a very good sign. And yun lang naman talaga yung mahalaga dito. Kumikita sila and competitive yung prices kahit na medyo on the rise siya. And sobrang ganda nung dividend yield even though medyo baba pa talaga yung payout ratio nila. And that's also a good thing naman kasi nag-i-invest lang sila, nagre-reinvest lang sila sa sarili nila para mas lalo pang lumaki and mag-grow yung business. And ito naman yung current holdings ko kay CLI. Ito yung parang biggest winner sa portfolio ko other than EMP. So yun, yung last trade price nga 5.16. Average cost ko nasa 3.62 lang. Then 1,000 shares lang nga yung nabili ko. And yung market value currently nasa 5.1k na. Yung total cost 3.6k. So total of 1.4-ish k na paper gain. And then yung profit ko, yung percentage is nasa 4.93%. So malaki talaga yan, no? Okay, so guys, we are heading towards the end of this episode. Silipin natin yung mga sources for today's video. So CPSE Edge, PPI Trade, University of San Carlos, and a photo from Unsplash. So yung mga links ito is nasa description sa baba. Alright. So, and sad news, diba? So recently si Chadwick Boseman is he passed away. So yeah, rest in power. And yeah, before we end, we have a quote from Vaynerchuk. Sabi niya, trust in yourself, believe in yourself, and keep going. So we're gonna end the episode here, guys. Sana may natutunan kayo. And if umabot kayo at the end of this video, thank you very much. I appreciate you. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share nyo na rin if natripan nyo. That will surely help sa algorithm ni YouTube. Twice a week ako nag-upload ng mga videos similar to this. So subscribe na rin kayo and ring the notification bell para wala kayong ma-miss out. Thanks again for watching. Stay safe and always remember, be Peso smart. Show me.